Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. Today we are carrying the CJRB More Maileah. This has a 3-inch AR RPM 9 blade steel that's PVD coated. It's a flat grind with a hardness rating of 59 to 61. It's a Wharncliffe. The overall length of the knife is 6.93 inches. These beautiful G10 handles. Deep carry clip that is reversible, placed for a lanyard, deployed in 2 ways, thumb stud or front flipper. It's a liner lock, one-handed operation, no problem. Front flipper works really well, and you've got those nice gold accents. You've got the gold thumb stud, the pivot collar, and the lanyard attachment. So just a great EDC knife. It is running off of ceramic ball bearings to make it extremely smooth. And it's a Savannah Swags design. Just a great knife. And by the way, beautiful jimping on top. And it is a full 4-finger knife. All right, folks. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel. And as I always say, until we meet again, keep your blade sharp.